Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is D Smith. I'm going to be showing you how to put together this triple monitor stand. I bought off Amazon. The link will be in the description. This is all the parts that came, and minus the tape. You know, I was using that for something else. I'm there tomorrow. These are all the parts that came in the box. I laid out all my little pieces, and these are the instructions. And it shows you step by step how to do it. I looked on YouTube and I couldn't find a video anywhere to show me how to do it, so I figured, hey, I'm gonna make my own. Also, my cousin Will told me to do it too. He said it was a great idea. Anyway, it says be sure the cam screws A1 are seated flush with the surface of the board. So when you put them in there, you don't want to be crooked. You're going to tear your board up, and it's not going to fit. The end pieces that hold it up is not going to fit right. So I was trying to start it with my hand, but I couldn't get it to start with my hand, so I just stuck it there, and I got my screwdriver, tightened it all the way down, and made sure it was straight, and made sure it was flush like it said in the instructions. Okay, so you want to put the screws, the A1 8 screw there, one on each opposite end, and then dowels go in the middle, the little wooden pieces. I think they're called dowels something, but those go in the middle. So you have one A1 screw, dowel, A1 screw. And like I said, make sure it's straight and flush with the board. So you see you have one screw, dowel, screw. So this point right here, I'm showing you that you want to flip the board around and do the same thing on the opposite end. Mind you, this board is the board that has 2 on it. So when you look into all your pieces, you'll see board 2. You only have one of them. That's the big one. So make your opposite end look just like that end down there. And I went ahead and did it so you can see how it comes out. Okay. My camera wasn't working, so I used my phone. I mean, my camera's working, it just died. All my batteries were dead. Okay, so the next part is that you go to the one that has 4x1, 4 times 1, and it's really part 3 and 4. So you want to do the same thing to those. Screw, dowel, screw. And you know, you do board 3 and board 4 the same way. Right here, I'm just showing you it's board 3. Board 4 is already done. I flipped it over. And the little 4 holes you have screw, dowel, screw. You do it just like you did the other one. And this is my first instructional video, so don't judge me. All right? Okay? All right? All right, so this part is complete. So the next part, we're going to get board 5. You should have 2 boards that have number 5 on them, and those seat on the side of you see them on top of the dowels, but make sure the 2 holes are facing inward. And I'm about to show you what I'm talking about. You see how you see the 2 holes here and here? You want the flush side to be on the outside of the board, and the holes to be on the inside, so that way you can tighten it down once you get those A2 bolts up there, well, A2 screws. What they're locking screws. So you slide your board down, make sure you put it down even. I didn't do that, but it still worked out. I'm showing you now, it's board 5. Okay, so then you flip it around. Well, here I'm showing you what part of the diagram I'm on. A2, 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 A2. So you want 4 A2 screws to go into board 5 to lock them in. These are the A2 screws I'm talking about here. And when you put them in, make sure the open side is down, because when you turn it, it pulls the screw to tighten the board to the other part of the board. You'll see what I'm talking about. Once you stick it in there, you turn it, you'll see what I'm talking about. And don't pay them no mind of what I'm talking about turning. I'm trying to show you turn, but it's actually turned the other way. You know, righty tighty, lefty loosey. So I went ahead and did the rest of them, but I'm just showing you how I put this one in. It was hard holding the phone to record this and also do it with one hand, so forgive me. Next video I do will be more professional, more laid out, edited well, better camera, lighting, everything. Now I'm showing you all 4 are done. So this portion of the monitor stand is done. So the next thing we have to do is the same thing to your main board. And number 7 goes on these. So you have 2 number 7s. You do it the same way, you know, stick it up there and slide it down evenly. And what I'm showing you now is that the 2 holes go on the inside, nothing's on the other side, so that's the side you want to face out. So slide these on like so. And get your locking screws, and don't pay me no mind. I was trying to look at the camera and do the same thing, but I like to drop it. Anyway, same thing. You get the A2 screws, the locking screws, and lock in all 4 sections of this part. This is the main part where my main computer is on. So now all of it's done. I'm showing you how it looked. Now at the end, I kind of did it backwards, but this point right here where you have everything locked together, you want to take the stickers that I'm going to show you in a minute and put the stickers up there, but I'll show you that part. These 2 pieces here are C2. It's 2 of those. Actually, I think it's 3. You get an extra one. So if you have an extra piece left over, it's supposed to be like that. What I'm showing you now is you turn the thing over, the main board over, you put the 2 pins in there, and then you take the last piece that you have, which is the first piece that's in the top left-hand corner of your diagram. You turn it upside down and you slide it down onto those dogs. You have to move it around and fit it up there. They'll fall right in place. And that's done. So this is the part I was talking about with the stickers. The stickers just hide the screws, the locking screws, so it looks like the wood, but I don't think nobody's gonna pay that attention. But I swear once you throw the stickers up there, you won't see them anyway. So just for a cleaner look at the end. And also pull your stickers off the side of your boards. This is the completed part. So now I went ahead, after I got it put together, I put all my stuff on it. So I have the main Mac 2020 model in the middle, 2017 on the left, and a 2010 on the right, which is just used for watching videos, playing music and stuff. Yep, and this is my completed work area. I love this thing, so I do recommend that you order this for a cleaner look to your desktop, and see you in the next video.